Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. By the end of this video, you will be able to create your own date dimension using DAX. So let's get to it. I'm going to click on create a new table. I'll call this table calendar. Now we're going to explore some of the DAX functions that would be used. Let's create a variable called start date. And with DAX, formatting is always important. So let's just take a date from 2022, starting the first of the year. And then the end date, let's say, goes to 2024. So let's call the calendar table and output. And in the end, we will return the output. All right. So that's start date, which is end date. So our calendar takes two arguments, start and end date. So that gives us a date column with all the dates between our start and end date, which I'm going to quickly format as short date. So now let's build on this table. Let's go add columns, and that's the initial table. So let's call first column year. So we're just going to use the year function and refer to date. Similarly, month, refer back, and let's call it day. So this will give us mostly all integers. So let me just commit the back formula and see what we get. So yes, these are all integers. So assuming we want month name, we can just format this by multiplying the month by 29 and format this as, if I use triple M in format, it will give me the short month name. So let's call this short month name. And then we'll just have, well, let's call this month name and then month name long by using 4 M's. All right. So that's how we created a very basic calendar table. Of course, we can build on this and have um, more attributes. So if you want to add a couple more columns, for example, we have other functions called, for example, day. So that gives us the day of the week. Um, and we can also convert this weekday function. So it has another argument. You can choose 1, 2, 3, depending on what you would like. So in this case, 1 and 7 is Sunday and Saturday, respectively. And assuming we would like to see, let's say, quarter number, calendar quarter number, so we can do that as well. So the way we would do that is, I'll just put another add columns, and I will call this number because we want to now use one of the existing columns that we have created. So for example, if we round up the month, which is the month number, After we divide it by 3 to 0 digits, this should give us the quarter number. So we can verify that. So we get quarter number 3 contains verification shows us the months of July, August, and September. So that's how to create a very basic calendar table using DAX. Of course, more customizations could be made to this table. For example, if we wanted to add a format to our quarter as well, this is feasible. There are more flags that, like example, weekend flag, year-to-date flags, offsets, so on and so forth. In this case, I have just used water as an example to show you where we can add some formatting. Oops. Let us replace W with Q for quarter. So we have quarter 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how we create a very basic calendar table. I will be creating one more calendar table with fiscal years using Power Query. So um, look out for that video, which will be posted shortly. For more such content, like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.